All right, what's up, Titanx community? I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Today is Sunday, November 10th. I had to make sure to see if I was going to say the right date. At the current time of recording, we are sitting at 6 zeros and a 787. We are up 15%. Yesterday was one heck of a show. Let me tell you, there was so much FUD, negative comments, doubters, fudders, everything. And I even pointed out on the video, I was pretty much saying you could go down to this range. I was saying we were going to trade between 8881 as low as worst case scenario 51. We literally dropped the most bottom part of this candle is 58. So we were about 7 zeros and a 7 off from my yellow support line. I wouldn't have been surprised if we even went this low, to be honest with you, okay? Thank you, all of you that have joined the members only club on Twitter or on YouTube. I sent out a video yesterday saying price targets and where to accumulate. And I'm proud to say it was dead on perfect. So if you are a members, you got in. If you listened up, if you had an extra little dust sitting around of Ethereum, and if you managed to scalp in at the targets that I told you, you would be in a great scenario, in a great position right now. We're up over 4,000% in profit, which is looking good, waiting for the next big play, which, by the way, it's some big news coming up shortly for the members. Now, what's crazy is that, yes, we closed the candlestick here. Now we're going to be trading within this range. I'm pretty confident about it. So many people are having issues understanding like the real deal behind this. Like the main part behind this was the Titanx unstaking amount, which, yes, it sucks, but it's needed. We need to get them massive stakes out of the way, and it's not over just yet. I don't think we're going to see us going back up to crazy highs until at least November 28th, I think it is, somewhere around there. Let me double check. It's going to be somewhere around here. Let's see. Yes, on day 396. I don't think we're going to be seeing some crazy momentum until then. But hey, that's just my own little prediction, okay? But there's going to be even more trillions of tokens coming out, and the protocols are launching and everything, but there's too many tokens coming out, in my opinion, okay? As always, I'm honest and I'm transparent. I told you guys I saw a downtrend, a bearish cross. I said I even said that if this yellow line didn't hold and if it broke, that we would see this next target. That's pretty much exactly what happened. It means a lot for you guys to like take my word in consideration, because I have been seeing some comments saying that I need to be careful what I say because, you know, it plays a big role in Titanx and the price and what people's decision is. And like, yes, it's kind of true, but at the end of the day, like, I can't control your funds. Like, everybody has their own financial status. Everybody can do whatever they want to with their funds. Whenever I say I'm going to do stuff, it's my funds, it's my strategy, so on and so forth. So you decide what to do with your own funds. I don't care what you do. You know, of course, be careful, be safe out there, put in what you can afford, you know, be cautious. It could just go completely the opposite way. Okay. I just want you to know that. But I'm always transparent and I'm honest with you guys. If I think it's going to go down, I will tell you straight up. And as much negative comments as I might end up getting, I will still upload a bearish video if needed. Okay. And since before here, it was like, you know, bullish content and bullish price targets and so on and so forth. But once I started seeing this turning bearish, that's whenever you can check out my videos. That's whenever I started started mentioning that, hey, bearish, price could go down, a full reset is going to happen, you know, all that transparency wise. So yeah, take it however you want to. If you get mad because of that type of content, then I don't know what to tell you, but it's just transparency, man. And there's going to be a bunch of more tokens coming out. But once we start hitting this flat line right here, somewhat flat line, it will be a lot better. And I did see a lot of people start having some tweets and messages and my DMs on Telegram as well that why not have version V1 on Titanx turned on. I see why. Like, yes, there's a lot of sell-off and we need some buy pressure. We need this, and that, right? But not yet. As of right now, there's still trillions of Titanx tokens that are going to be coming out. We do not want the buy and burn from version 1, which is right now $14 million. It went up by $2 million just because, I think, yeah, like $1 or $2 million just because of the bull run, just because of Ethereum starting to go back up finally. I think it's like at $3,200, and this is just barely the beginning of the bull run too. Ethereum can go to 4, 5, 6, 7K. If it doubles, this is going to be 26, almost $30 million. And once that gets turned on, that will be epic. But right now, I don't want this to turn on, to be honest with you, because if this money starts going into the market, into the Titanx token, into the buy and burn, and so on and so forth, it will just be exit liquidity for all these tokens coming out. We might as well bear what's going to happen to the Titanx price and let it drop and let it do its thing and get the whale stakers out of the way. Even if we drop another 50%, screw it. I know people are going to go crazy over this, but even if we go down 50% from this current token price, it will be for the best for the project, for the future, long-term, project-wise. Okay, it's going to suck and it will hurt, and your portfolio will look really bad for a short time period, but it will be for the benefit, to benefit the Titanx token price. And of course, the buy and burn will activate. It'll start burning even more tokens because the price will be even lower. I just think it's a win-win. So we got to hold off until the right perfect time, which I think he will probably, it wouldn't surprise me if he turns it on somewhere around here. Like once, well, actually, maybe not even here, because then these tokens are going to unlock. Maybe day, like, I don't know, close to day 400, maybe, which would be, what, 20 days from now, which would be, oh, November 20, around November 28th. November 28th. Huh. Interesting. I kind of want to say that. I think, I think the V1 will be activated November 28th. It would make sense, actually. Because around here would be November 28th, and all the tokens will be accumulated, unstaked. They will probably sell their whole entire bags and exit. Because these guys are also seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and all them starting to move. So they're trying to exit their funds and get into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Solana, all of them other ones, so they can move over their profits. Because some of these guys are in massive profits still, 2-3x, give or take, from their staking period time that they got in. So I do see that happening, actually. Version 1 getting activated somewhere around here. And who knows, by day 400 and, I don't know, 10 or something, day 410 or so, random numbers that I'm saying, day 410, maybe Ethereum is like 5K by then, or 4K, and the buy and burn is worth 20 million, 25 million, 30 million. That will be a lot of buy pressure and great for the token price. That's just my own little rant for today. I'm just trying to get a good prediction in. We'll see what happens, though. But right now, in my opinion, it's still looking really good. We had a beautiful bounce, big amounts of sales, but the buy pressure came right in. And keep in mind, this is just regular buyers right now. Holders, buyers, believers, and other protocols also that are doing their job. This is right here is benefiting. Like, it's no version 1 yet. Now imagine whenever it does get turned on, it'd be good. So we don't want people to use, we don't want this to be exit liquidity. We want this to be buy pressure, upward liquidity for token of Titanx. We want it to benefit, okay? So it's smart. I'll stick with it. I'll take it. And just a matter of time, man. I don't mind this. A lot of people panic about it. And I also mentioned that this right here, by the way, if you go back to my video and if you listened up, I said, look, this right here was perfect for the token price to bounce back up. Like we hit here multiple times for on the RSI. The RSI can tell you so much more information as well. We hit here multiple times on the RSI, we bounced. We hit here, we bounced. Hit here, bounced. So the fact that we touched exactly where these previous ones hit and it bounced up means a lot. So for right now, temporarily, we have hit the bottom, the local bottom right here was hit, which I didn't see many people get in around this range. Some people panicked. Some people didn't want to touch it. Some people expected lower, but luckily the members got price targets and they managed to scalp a pretty good amount of tokens. I would imagine so. But now there's future projects launching that I know of that are going to be massive. Okay, not to mention X28 is here and Shogun. Hey, looks good to me. So guys, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe, comment down below anything. It helps the algorithm. It really does. The channel is growing, 10,400 plus subscribers. Members are also joining up left and right, which I do appreciate. You know, I love every single one of you guys. I would love to see more of you guys out there. Let's make some money. Let's make some profits. Let's do it together. So thank you. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.